guys, welcome back to the channel. I thought I'll make a quick update video on my A979B. As you can see, I have replaced my ESC from here to here, and I used plastic and screwed it on the suspension screws, and also I have replaced its battery. For that I have to cut that partition. I just cut that partition so that this battery can fit into it. As you can see, I can add this here now, and I have bought this Omka batteries from Hyderabad RC Club, and as you can see, and also I have added some foam tires. These are foam tires for speed runs, but actually I don't have much time for to take it out. So I have added PVC tape again for drift, for drifting inside my residence. So other things are actually all electronics are stock until now, but we will be upgrading it soon after I make a stock speed run of this, as soon as I get time for that. And also I have modified its body. As you can see, I made a real vent here, and also I have for the bigger wheels I have to cut down these fenders. I cut these fenders, and also I moved it to here, and on both sides. And I made a wind spoiler myself. As you can see, it is not painted right now, but I will paint it in red color, or I'll do it black. Otherwise it's already almost same. Okay guys, hope you will like it. Thank you, and let's do some drifts. I'll put some drift part in this video.